We have Joyce on the phone right now. She's from Bonifay. I believe she has an auto insurance policy question. Joyce, if you can hear us, you can go ahead with that question now.
Thanks, Courtney. I've been with my insurance company for years. I recently traded cars, and I asked the company employees to try to find me a less expensive policy. Requested it 2 or 3 times. I've never heard anything from them. So the other day I called and asked them if I could, with my company, my insurance company is, other outfits, other insurance offices have my same insurance company, and I wanted to ask them if I could transfer it, and they said yes. But why would they not respond to me? Because they don't care?
Well, Joyce, that's a question really that's best left for them. And yes, it may be that they don't care. It may be that, sometimes when people make the request, if you kind of stick it aside in a sales situation and they know when you're asking for something less expensive, the question is, do you want to decrease coverages? Do you want to change coverages? Do you want to try and get a better rate? And sometimes you have to go outside of where you are for your insurance and get a new insurance. Sounds strange, but let me kind of give you an example. My mother, when she was alive, she was with one company for 19 or 20 years. And each year they would kind of increase and increase and increase and increase and increase. And then finally, when she did a check of her insurance after about 19 years, she recognized that another company, a well-recognized national brand company, she could get the same insurance coverage for about half price. And it was exact same. You're comparing apples to apples and oranges to oranges. So maybe that's what you need to do. Years have gone by, Joyce, where it used to be you had everything bundled together. It's now a big thing on TV. You get discounts on your auto, home, and other liability coverages if you go with one company. That's not always the case. And so there are a lot of places, a lot of insurance companies in the state of Florida that will not write the homeowner's policy in order to get the discount, or they might not write the auto policy to get a discount on the homeowner's policy. So you have to shop those individually, and it's just like shopping for gasoline right now. There could be a 30-cent difference right down the street, and the 30-cent difference over a long period, over the course of a year, can add up to be hundreds of dollars. So you may need to go ahead and, what I say, shop your policy. Make sure that you reach out to some other insurance agents that are responsive to you. A lot of independent agents, they have 4 or 5 different automobile insurance carriers that go with them. And maybe that's what the situation was, Joyce. Maybe the agent you went to is what's called a captive agent, and they only write insurance for that one company, and then the price is what the price is that's quoted for them, and they really can't give you any discounts. So it might be best that you go ahead, take a look around, and shop your insurance policies through different agencies.